We've noticed that on painting projects where foremen have the proper inspection tools, they require far less rework than the projects that don't. This inspired us to put together an inspection kit especially for paint foremen. We have an advanced gauge. This allows you to record into memory 100,000 readings in up to 1,000 batches. We have profile measurement. This probe is a digital micrometer, so you can permanently store your profile readings. In this kit, we have two diploid meter probes. This one is for taking instant readings, and this one will automatically log the environmental conditions for you. What we've found is that if the operators have the right tools, you will have less paint failures. They can measure it themselves, and they will take an interest in getting it right. They will take more care to making sure it's right in the first place. Give them knowledge. They will give you a better job, and you're guaranteed to have better outcomes.